Here we will write a program to print sum of all elements from a tuple. So first in comment line we will write, first we will define function print sum and we will pass tuple as a parameter. Then we will convert this tuple to list. So temp list equal to list with parameter num, which is a tuple. Then we will define one variable addition, which is initialized with 0. Then we will read the list element as for x in temp list, and we will add this x to addition. So addition equal to addition plus x, and outside the for loop we will return addition. Then we will accept the tuple elements from the user. For this, first we will define empty tuple. Then we will accept total number of elements that we are going to accept from the user to store in tuple. So n equal to int input, enter total elements, and we will use for loop. So for I in range 0, n, we will accept the tuple element. So e equal to int input, enter element, and we will append this element e to tuple. So t equal to t plus e comma, and outside the for loop we will call the function print sum and we will pass t as a parameter. Since the function is returning the value, we will call this function with print statement. So print sum of tuple elements, we will call the function print sum, and we execute. I will enter total number as 5 and I will enter the number. It will print sum of tuple element as 15, since 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. Here first we have defined a function print sum with parameter num as a tuple. Then we will convert this tuple to list and we will store it in temp list, and we have defined an integer variable addition, which is initialized with 0, and to read the list we will use for loop. So for x in temp list, we will add the value of x to addition and then we will return this addition. Then we have defined an empty tuple and accepted the total elements to accept from the user for the tuple in n, and we will use for loop. So for I in range 0, n, we will accept the elements and store it in tuple. And to print the sum, we have called the function print sum.